Hello everybody, I wanted to show you that today I am wearing a sari in a Maharashtrian style, and it is the first time that I tied my sari, and it is not perfect at all. And some children are recording my video because I have come to my village and I did not bring my ring light, but I still showed up because I made a commitment to myself that I'm gonna show up and share everything that is inspiring. So I wanted to share this with you, that even though I'm wearing something different for the first time, I could not tie my sari perfectly. It is not perfect and I'm wearing something very different than I usually would. Okay, so there is that element of like people making fun of me, and also that I did not do it perfectly, that is also there, but I still did it. See, when we start something, it's never gonna be perfect, it's never gonna be good enough, and like just because you want to appear good in front of other people, that will stop you good and like perfect. When you begin something, it's gonna look messy, and then some people are gonna make fun of you, but the people who are deep into their creativity or deep into some field, okay, they understand what it takes. They understand your phase of being messy, being all over the place, being confusing. So you don't have to care about what other people are thinking. All you have to do is show up imperfectly. So I'm just making this video to inspire you to be imperfect. And if you would like to book a one-on-one session with me to move through fear, to move through low self-esteem, to step into your most powerful confident self, and if you like need space to move through like some traumas that you went through in your life and you need guidance, intuitive guidance, I am here for you. Also, if you want to bring like good energy, high vibrational energy into your life, then you should definitely check out my magic paintings. I have 4 magic paintings. When you keep my magic paintings around you, so much good energy starts to flow into your life. Good, high vibrational, courageous. When I channel these paintings, so much confident, like I became so bold and confident. Like these 2 paintings, I am like taking a leap of faith. Another one, I owe nothing to anybody. These 2 paintings, when I channeled them, I took a major leap in my life, which no one in my family did. No girl, like I'm 28 and I'm not married. I move away from the hometown. I live in mountains. No girl in my family has done that, even not a guy. Okay, so I was the first one to do it, and I had this bravery because I had these paintings around me. And another one, I am safe, I am supported. I made this painting in the same room where my mother had me lived in for 9 months when I was in her womb. And this painting, if you grew up in an environment where you were feeling very alone, there was a lot of emotional neglect, this painting was going to bring so much of safety, supportedness, that kind of energy for you. And the last painting that I have so far now is taking God's ease, God's peace, God's goodness, God's prosperity effortlessly flowing in every area of my life. This painting is when you bring this painting in your home space, office space, or if you are gifting to somebody, you are gifting them like the energy that their needs are going to be met easily. Or if you are bringing it in your home, like all of your materialistic needs, like home, food, and like money and all of that, so that because your needs are taken care of, now you will be able to give more. That when I channel this painting, after that I started to show up in my business from a intention that I'm going to give more, and I am consistently able to make like 1-2 videos a day. I have like so much energy coming through me because my needs are met. When we are in survival, we cannot serve. So this is a very powerful painting, big canvases. And if you want me to channel a frequency painting for you, you can also this email that I'm sharing on the screen, you can have a conversation with me through that. You can just send the text like, hey Jyoti, I want you to channel a customized magic frequency painting for me, and then I'll take a conversation further. So thank you for being here. I'll see you in another video.